Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Soft and warm, keep me sheltered from every storm. Me tune rise up like distant drum, calling bright future fi come. Me plant me seeds in fertile ground, hear ancient rhythm all around. Roots dig deep through earth and clay, teach me strength along the way. No cloud can hide the rising sun, every dawn a victory won. Me keep me focused step by step, never bow, never forget. Me see the farmer till the soil, hands full of truth, full of toil. Hope sprout wide where effort grow, life expand with gentle flow. Me learn that patience rule the land, success come from steady hand. In every breeze me hear a call, stand firm, don't ever fall. Roots of tomorrow rise today, guide the youth along the way. Plant the joy, plant the peace, let the blessings never cease. Roots of tomorrow strong and true, shape the world for me and you. Hold the vision, keep it bright, grow the future in a light. Me see the elders gather near, share old tales for we fi hear. Stories carved in time and space, teach respect and sacred grace. Me honor all them sacrifice, wisdom priceless can't buy with price. Me carry it like shining flame, pass it on in Jah holy name. Me see flowers bloom by the lane, life reborn from healing rain. Children dance with joy and cheer, future shining crystal clear. Harmony reign from north to south, blessed words from every mouth. New creation start to bloom, pushing out the fear and gloom. Hold strong, hold tight, grow upward to the light. From soil to sky, hope will never die. Unity in every field, love the strongest shield. Roots of tomorrow rise today, guide the youth along the way. Plant the joy, plant the peace, let the blessings never cease. Roots of tomorrow strong and true, shape the world for me and you. Hold the vision, keep it bright, grow the future in a light. So when the night come cool and slow, remember seeds still grow, life continue steady and sure. Roots of tomorrow forever pure. No, no, no. Na 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 na. Soft breeze roll through the valley side, melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow, guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew rest on the land, nature whisper like a healing, and fragrance of hope drift in the air. Show the people say love still they here. Old memories fade as new ones grow. Plant them seeds and watch them glow. Hills echo warm, clear and bright. Draw the weary closer to light. Me eardrum knock under the shade, calling souls where the system fade. Simple moments bring truth alive. Teach mankind to unite and thrive. No man stand alone in this place. Every smile leave a shining trace. Roots unite like branch and tree. Build foundation for unity. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we forward, soul secure. Me watch the children dance on the shore, full of dreams, wanting more. Hope rise high in every laugh. Split the darkness clean in half. Night may come but light remain. Keep the people through joy and strain. Voices blend like colors bright, painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave. Set the timid heart for brave. The elders chant wisdom wide. Lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong. Harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubt. Let the inner light come out. River of harmony, carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we forward, so secure. When nightfall whisper low, remember the river still flow. Hold the rhythm, keep it near. Harmony always here. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Morning mist rise off the ridge, cover valley, creek and bridge. Me ear far echoes in the breeze, sound of courage that never cease. Me climb the path with steady stride, feel mountain spirit at my side. Strong heartbeat echo through the stones, power deep within my bones. No shadow make me lose me way. Me rise boldly every day. Hilltop wisdom guide me climb. Give me strength through space and time. Me pass the cedar, tall and wise. Branches reaching to the skies. Forest whisper tales of pride. Teach me how to walk with guide. Me hear my pulse match nature's tone. No, me never walk alone. Through every step, me gain new sight. Hold firm, live upright. Lion of the hills, stand strong. Roar of truth, ancient song. Guard the valley, guard the gate. Lift the people, elevate. Lion of the hills, brave and pure. Hold the spirit, strong and sure. Lead the path where justice live. Show the world what art can give. Me reach a ridge where breeze run free. Feel the force surrounding me. Mountain chant keep me aligned. Balance body, soul and mind. Eagle circle high above. Symbol of endurance, love. Every echo strengthen me will. Turn me quiet, keep me still. Me see shepherd guide his flock. Move Move with patience, never shock. Careful steps through rugged land. Wisdom in his gentle hand. Village children greet the dawn. Hopeful future being drawn. Me stand tall on sacred stone. Feel the lion in me own. Courage in the air, strength everywhere. Walk brave, walk true. Spirit carry you, no fear, no doubt. Only faith inside and out. Lion of the hills, stand strong. Roar of truth, ancient song. Guard the valley, guard the gate. Lift the people, elevate. Lion of the hills, brave and pure. Hold the spirit, strong and sure. Lead the path where justice lives. Show the world what heart can give. One, aye, aye, aye. One, aye, aye, aye. One. When the moon rise over stone, me feel the lion in me own. Strength remain true night and day. Guide me on my righteous way. I am. I am.
Aye, aye, aye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Early dawn breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye. Early dawn breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Me walk by the bank where truth reside. Hear distant drums echo worldwide. Footsteps follow the natural beat. Wisdom rise from beneath me feet. No chain can bind a peaceful mind. The current gentle, pure, refined. Every ripple tell me hold the line. Better day sure, come in time. Me sit on a rock and breathe again. Wash off burden, wash off pain. Sunlight dance on the water face. Nature remind me about Jah grace. Birds fly high in perfect sync. Teach me deeper ways fitting. In every glimmer, me see hope grow. Flowing free like the river flow. Golden river flow. Carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let Jah light shine through. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. The water whisper stories old. Tales of courage, brave and bold. Ancestors chant through breeze and air. Tell me always to stay aware. Me listen deep to the message strong. Every lesson help me move along. Flowing wisdom shape me path. Cool me spirit, ease me wrath. Me see fishermen cast them line. Living simple, feeling fine. Village children laugh and play. Blessed presence fill the day. Harmony rise like spiritual fire, lifting every heart higher. Me give thanks for all me see. Golden river set me free. No rush, no fight, just calm within the light. Every current guide the heart, every ripple play a part. Bless the journey, bless the flow, teach me everywhere to grow. Golden river flow, carry me soul, lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day, show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear, wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true, let Jah light shine through. Why, why, why? When the sun fade low and slow, me still hear the river glow. Peace remain inside me heart, flow with life from end to start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Flow river, Granja. Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Me wake beside the river flow, hear Jah calling soft and low. Me wash me hand, me cleanse me mind, leave the dark behind. Every ripple tell me truth, every drop hold Jah proof. Life a circle never done, one by one. Me walk through valley, through the rain, every trial, every pain. But the river never dry, it teach me how to try. Babylon wall soon tumble down, Jah wear the crown. Me heartbeat steady in the tide, love can't hide. Me see the people thirst for peace, them spirit need release. Them search the world for silver gain, but only love remove the chain. Me sing for the ones who feel alone, Jah prepare them throne. River whisper ancient song, keep me strong. Oh town, flow river of light, flow free, carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Me rest me ear pan water sound, wisdom deep and profound. It tell me life a sacred chance, every breath a dance. The elder smile, the youth rejoice, nature give them voice. Me learn from the river still, to follow Jah will. Me no own the stream me see, it flow through every tree. It carries story, joy and pain. Circle back like a dream. River of light, carry me home. Jah make me home. Na 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 na. Oh. Me climb high where the wind them blow. Truth me know. Above the cloud me spirit free. Jah carry me. Yeah. Me look on valley low and wide. No fear inside. Every step me take just show. Oh, fi grow. Yeah. Me start me journey rough and raw, but me keep Jah Law. Storm come down, rain beat hard. Still me guard. Yeah. Me hold me feet tight like stone. Never alone. Mountain of strength me trod. Guided by God. Yeah. Them mock me but them laugh me way. Still me pray. Each fall teach me rise. Jah make me wise. Yeah. No man can shake me will. Me climb still. Every scar tell me name. Fire flame. Yeah. Mountain of strength me stand tall. Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength I me climb through space and time. Yeah. Me reach the top, me look below. River flow. Me give thanks for the fight me face. Grace in place. Yeah. No easy road for righteous man. Still me plan. Me rise from struggle deep. No sleep. Yeah. Them who doubt me no can see. Just set me free. Me shout me praise in a breeze. Me find me peace. Yeah. No pride, no boast me show. Me let Jah glow. Mountain strong beneath me feet. Victory sweet. Yeah. When me weak, Jah lift me soul. Make me whole. Me find power in the climb. Sacred time. Yeah. Mountain spirit call me home. Me never roam. Yeah. Mountain of strength me stand tall. Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength I am real. Me heal. Yeah. So when the valley low me see, me remember me destiny. Mountain of strength remain forever reign. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me hear the wind sing clear. Freedom near. Drum beat echo through town. Chains fall down. Me lift me voice for the cause. No pause. Song of freedom loud and high. Reach the sky. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me born fi chant truth loud. No bout to crowd. Me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long. Me call out Babylon lie till it die. Freedom song me melody. Set we free. Them try silence me sound. Still rebound. Me spirit like fire blaze. Through the haze. No fear me carry no shame. John name. Me chant down wicked pride. Side by side. Song of freedom. Play again. Heal the pain. Song of freedom. Pure and high. Never die. Me hear the people start to sing. Voices ring. Unity spread through the street. Heartbeat. Song of freedom touch the soul. Make we all. Me feel the energy grow. Overflow. Me see the youth lift them hand. Take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye. No more cry. Freedom rhythm no stop. Tap to tap. Jah tune the key of peace. Sweet release. Me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise. Open eyes. Song of freedom loud and near. Me persevere. Song of freedom. Play again. Heal the pain. Song of freedom. Pure and high. Never die. Song of freedom. Carry on till night gone. Song of freedom. Strong and true. Bless me and you. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. So when the silence strike control, sing from soul. Freedom tune forever play till judgment day. Moon above, feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall. Jah in all, every breath me take me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart. Sacred art, no pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt. Truth come out, me see the darkness fade. Hope made, Jah light glow pure and still. By will, Jah light within guide me there, show me where. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Me teach the youth to see Jah energy. No diamond, no gold compare. Jah care. Me tell the queen she shine. Truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow. Stillness grow. Me find peace pan humble floor. Want no more. Jah light reflecting eye. Never die. Me live me truth, me chant. Elegant. Even in a star me glow. Light still show. Darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me there, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn. turn. Smoke a skunk with Marcus, yeah, man. In the morning, do so sweet. Garden eternal at Jah feet. Every flower, every tree. Sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can't destroy. Garden bloom with Jah joy. Every root a sacred flame. Garden praise Jah holy name. Children plant and harvest grow. Garden teach what we must know. Elders sit and share the word. Garden song of Zion heard. Not in hatred, not in greed. Garden give the righteous seed. Every fruit a gift divine. Garden flourish for all time. River flow and birds are sing. Garden show the life Jah bring. Prophet walk and angel pray. Garden shine the righteous way. Babylon drought can't prevail. Garden of Jah never fail. Every season strong and free. Garden bear eternity. Families gather side by side. Garden spread so far and wide. Every color, every race. Garden bloom with Jah grace. Not a prison, not a wall. Garden open for all. From creation till today. Garden teach the holy way. Songs of bees and scent of rose. Garden Holy Spirit knows. Every vine a story tell. Garden keep the people well. No corruption, no despair. Garden show Jah everywhere. Everlasting, pure and strong. Garden chant Jah holy song. Morning sun and evening star. Garden eternal, near and far. From the root to canopy. Garden shine eternally. Generations yet unborn. Garden blooming early morn. Eternal dwelling, strong and free. Garden guide humanity. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give the its need. Rise, rise, flower bright. Garden shine in Jah light. Garden eternal, pure and true. Bloom forever for me and you. Every season strong and free. Garden of Zion unity. Forever blooming, never gone. Garden sing Jah holy song. Na na na. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Keep a walk walk in shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keeper never turn around. Every step a quiet vow to hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's path, born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright, keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but Jah reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind, keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them ask who light the star, keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told, keeper's hand so strong, so bold. Babylon fade but still he stay, keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit, keep a heart forever be. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, man. Poet dream and vision clear, keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer, keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise, keep a shine where darkness lies. Morning come and light reveal, keepers work beneath this steel. Every shadow fade away, keeper bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free, keep a guard eternity. Every soul he helped to rise, keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame, keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep our song strong and pure, carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone, keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide, keep our walk by the side. From the dawn to setting sun, keep us work is never done. Na na na, Zion reggae, man.
See la my rastas, my stone and sweat, come on inside, yeah man. You see I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she not no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal on foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong, two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection, Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze, talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. We show her how to chant and wait. We not rush, no need no ring, just truth and rhythm. Everything when the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weak. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign, we walk in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight, feel right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how two Rasta still hold vow. Why world a crumble round the way? We hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still root.
Na Zion ganja ya man. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine. Wings of soil, divine design. Held a kneel and touch the dust. Wings of ground, he hold in trust. Every seed, a dream reborn. Fly from dust to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low. Wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky, spirit rise, them never die. Poet write in gentle tone. Wings of ground make word his home. Every phrase a flutter bright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sink in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. Farmer soul is faith so strong, wings of ground still sing the song. Every harvest bring reward, blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down. Wings of ground where nature's crown. Every root and every leaf carry message of belief. Child them dance upon the plain. Wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree. Spirit whispers silently. No despair, no fear remain. Wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow. Earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low. Wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise, pure and free. Carry truth and harmony. Wings of the ground, bold and wide. Lift the heart from deep inside. Never fading, never still. Wings of Jah, obey his will. Everlasting, firm and true. Wings of love for me and you. From the soil to endless sky. Wings of ground will never die.
Accra town. We hold it down from hills of Ethiopia high. Bless Jah sky, Rasta people one vibration, true nation. No border divide with soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Hey, Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family. Rasta Nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry touch of fire, never tire. Rasta Nation build again from pain. Me see the queen wrap her crown, no back down. King and empress hand in hand across the land. We chant for justice true, for me and you. Rasta Nation lead the way, new day. No division, no hate, Rasta create. From Africa to world, flag unfurled. Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Yeah, yeah. Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family. Rasta Nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta Nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta Nation chant the psalm, keep calm. Yeah. Na 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 na. So when the world lose direction, Rasta connection, one love foundation firm, Jah confirm. Ay ay ay, Rasta man and Zion, reggae ya man. Me open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, O youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dance spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise up the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still, cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try to silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth them rise and shout. Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation, one heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest. Call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Me mother cry but still she pray. Say Jah never stray. Through the struggle me learn the way. One day Babylon fade away. Me see the rainbow after rain. From every loss come gain. Me carry the message deep inside. Jah Jah always grace guide. Me plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots, them start to show. Me brethren gather, hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in me face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall for love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue and every tribe join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provides the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit, never defeat. I and rise up the free, heart and flame. Call Jah Jah, holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity set we free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. When the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise, oh people, rise and see the dawn of the free.
Aye, aye, aye. Roll a big spliff with sweat, come lap your man. Yeah.
Thunder roll, me still strong. Jah spirit keep me moving on. Lightning flash, wind a roar. Still me stand pon Zion shore. Me heart no tremble, me no bow. Lion in the storm right now. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me rise again. No chain strong enough to bind. Truth living on me mind. Them speak loud, but just speak clear. Fear no evil, I am here. Me hold the torch through darkest night. Rasta keep the light. The struggle real, me know the test. But me bless among the rest. Every trial brings strength anew. Just show me what me must do. Them throw stone, me build bridge. Them black path, me climb ridge. Cause me no run, me no hide. Just soldier on the side. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Me brethren fall, but me lift him high. Tell him no worry, Jah your eye. Me know Jah never forsake. He builds strength from every ache. Me see the rainbow cross the field. Rasta never yield. No weapon form shall prosper here. Me spirit clear. Inna the mountain, breeze me rest. Me heart beat in me chest. Me look up to the sky and pray. Jah bless me steps today. No matter the thunder, no matter the rain, me chant through the pain.
Cause me know the lion live in a me soul. Rasta make me whole. Every storm must end, every wound jam end. Me stand firm, me hold strong, me destiny long. Fire blaze, but me heart pure. In a Jah love, me sure. Lion roar through the night, victory in sight. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Lion rise, break the chain. Turn the thunder into gain. From struggle come song, from trial come strong. Jah shield me life, me keep the flame. Forever call Jah name. When the storm cloud fade away, still the lion trot today. Strength and honor never gone. Me live fi carry on.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Deep where sea and lightning meet, ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame, every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below, ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear, truth of Jah draw ever near. Elders stand up on the sand, ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet, heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain, ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm, ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue, see the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace, ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away, ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer, ocean flame still burning there. Poet write by lantern light, ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave, every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow, ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free, burning deep beneath the sea. Shall them laugh up on the shore, ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love, like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end, ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand, ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea, light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, bold and high. Ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire bright and pure, cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone, light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free, ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, heart and sky, Jah creation sanctified. me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one feature in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a day yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars. Sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene.